Hey guys, it's Kevin here from Voy Media, and today I want to talk about something that we found very useful. We're working with bigger brands and sort of seeing how our marketing is affecting AOV, how our marketing is getting them customers. And here we're going to be talking about post-purchase surveys. Post-purchase surveys is a question that you can ask your customers right after they purchase something from you, so it doesn't get in the way of the checkout experience. And again, useful to see what mindset they're in when they purchase your product. So let's dive into a store that we work with, and I'll show you an example of a post-purchase survey. So here you could see that in the last 7 days, we've had about 21% response rate. And here is the question that we ask. For this website, we're using Enquire, which is a Shopify app. And here you could see that the question that we're asking our customers is, how did you hear about us? This question is so important to know how someone heard about you guys because you want to know if your new marketing channel is working. For example, let's say TikTok just took off and you didn't know. You would potentially see this in your responses. That way you can then maybe go to the TikTok platform and see what's happening there. What I like about this too, again, it's how did you hear about us? You could see that for this company, a lot of people say Instagram, Facebook, social media. Again, this is very interesting because social media, someone could say, we could run an ad on Instagram and Facebook, but it'll sort of classify it as social media or Instagram and Facebook. So interesting to see that. Google search, if you're doing any sort of Google campaigns, word of mouth, other, or influencer. So this is just what it is in the last 7 days. Let's look at it in the last 30 days and see how that changes and some of the results that we're going to see here. Last 30 days, we've had a 23 response rate, which is pretty, I guess, for them. And this store is average, about 20% response rate. And you could see here that Instagram and Facebook make the bulk of the advertising, which makes sense. We're doing a lot of Facebook ads. Google search, social media, word of mouth, other influencers, blog, retail store, and TikTok. And you could see here, what's interesting is probably going to be these sort of three channels. You could see that even though we spent sort of less money on Google search, the AOV is higher. So as a business, should we be focusing more on Google search versus Instagram and Facebook because the AOV seems to be higher? But again, maybe the volume isn't there. So here you could see how each sort of traffic source affects your AOV and how you can use that to your advantage when you're thinking about products, when you're thinking about sales, or when you're thinking about scaling ads. So this is something that you can easily install. Check it out. It's called Enquire Post-Purchase Surveys. I think they have a free plan or it's something very cheap. But I really like using something like this. I think it's helpful for a lot of brands to sort of know where your customer is coming from. And again, with a lot of these platforms that have post-purchase surveys, you can change that question to be something else. So check it out. Like I said, Kevin from Voy Media. Any questions or comments, feel free to email me or visit our website, voymedia.com. Thank you.